Running repairs. Oh, that's fucked.
She's good.
What the fuck did you hit?
What do you mean? Just grazed it, mate. If it doesn't work, you get a bigger hammer.
I feel like I'm back at Ibisu.
Mate.
Fucking good as new.
What? You straight as an arrow.
So we're going drifting this Friday at QR. What is it? Friday night drifts.
Yep.
So thought we'd give her a bit of a tidy up. Make it look like a show car again. No problem.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Way better than what it was before. You should have seen the wheel before as well. I've just spent some time fixing that and towing way out. You're getting carried away now, like, come on. I think, wasn't that from when Jazza hit the wall at Archie?
Oh, 100%. This thing was straight as an arrow before you got it.
Yeah, go on. Give her what she wants.
Oh, not the crime.
Fuck, this thing loves tech screws. So this is the first time we've had this boat in the water. So this is the one with the 215 Sea-Doo motor in it that we previously showed. So we're going to take it for a test run now, make sure everything's all good before it goes to the customer and go for a play. At least it floats. I mean, you must be doing something right.
Give it 5 minutes.
Oh, hang on, what's all that water? How'd she go?
Man, it's beautiful. Honestly, that's the only way I can describe it.
Yeah.
Coming from mine, real rough and noisy, this thing's just, it drives so nice.
It actually,
really
it looks good, like on the water. You can see that it just handles and goes so well.
Yeah.
Very successful first little trip. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm stoked. They're getting better and better, and this one's best yet. Let's put it that way.
It goes good, eh? We were just saying how it handles a lot better than his personal boat.
Yeah.
Because obviously, since that was the first boat, wasn't it?
Yeah. Original one, so we've done a few since then, but everyone's getting better, which is good. And yeah, really surprised with this engine package, how much balls it's got. Like,
yeah, it's good.
it's got 100, less than mine, and I feel like this thing's almost faster. So I don't know. I want to get back to the drawing board with mine a little bit.
Oh, we're back here with another video from Queensland, and I don't know where we are, somewhere in between Brisbane and Sunshine Coast, is that right?
Yep.
And we're out here with the Queensland Jetboat Club, 5 boats as you can see. We're going to go rip up some mangrove runs and wreak some havoc.
Yeah.
Fuck, that's a big one.
Big bar for that one.
It's got a 351 in there.
Yeah, I know, bud. Well, this is just, that's just going to sit in the garage.
Fuck, that thing's sick. It's a New Zealand import. Are you going to pull yours out and start it, or send her? We out here. Oh, we've had our first casualty. Old mate's struggling to start.
one, and we almost hit it.
That was sick though. Fuck, it was tight.
Did you see the bird? Did you hit the bird? Oh. We both like this close.
You dog. I'm sorry. That jet craft there is mental. He came through that channel and the amount of water that it just pumps out is crazy. Go on mate, take Big Bertha through.
Wouldn't mind keeping it down over there.
He's asking for a drag race.
Wow. He wants a roosting, right? Is that what you had to say?
He's asking for it.
You want some? You want some to go, nothing?
Listen to that thing.
351. 351 V8 one.
Can't go that way.
Organised chaos.
Fuck, this is carnage. I like Big Bertha. I reckon we need to build one like that. With two 1Js in it. Listen to it. So we're in a bit of a situation here because there's like a log right there, so we're gonna have to jump it. Hey?
Okay.
Yeah. Ready? Running repairs.
It's chocolates. Intake clogged up, you know?
Just needs a good old declogging.
Yeah. Get the powerfish around here, declog it.
Oh well, we're good to go now. Great was full of mangroves. Get that doing the mangrove run. Go. So, Big Bertha, I don't know if you saw it or not, just came steaming down that mangrove run.
Opposite way to what everybody else is going.
And had to quickly bail and do a 360 to try and avoid the oncoming boat. Jeez, that was lucky, honestly. Ah, that thing's, it's a beast. feels dusty. I think we've filled up the engine, the cooling system with sand.
Water line with a bit of sand or something.
So now we're overheating and this thing's beeping like crazy at us. So what's the plan? Send it.
Kick her in the guts. Let's go.
I mean, what can you do? We're in the middle of fucking nowhere. Oh, Big Bertha! So cool. What do you reckon?
Pretty good. Pretty good. Got a little sketchy at sometimes, a little bit.
Take this little weapon for a spin.
Am
Oh,
I gonna pin this thing?
I don't know if you are. Oh, it's a foot throttle too.
Shit.
That was a good day, wasn't it? Sick to get out with some other boats.
Yeah,
Do
good bunch of guys too.
Yeah, do something different for a change, something away from the cars and whatnot. This is the outro. For once.
Yeah, 4 weeks time we'll do it again.
Yeah.